Cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. My name is Larissa and this is my friend. We just showed you how we decorated this really adorable Happy Meal gang character, the French fry.
Yes!
And now we want to talk to you about the topic of that cookie, which is the Happy Meal gang from McDonald's! Here's the deal. I have such McDonald's nostalgia. This is not our first McDonald's episode we've done. We did the Happy Meal buckets. The Halloween buckets.
Oh,
We did the Halloween buckets.
Yeah, that was kind of a flop. We were lidless.
Lidless Halloween buckets. If you don't know what we're talking about, go watch that episode. One of the reasons why I wanted to do McDonald's cookies, Hank had
my collection.
Hank had gotten me, as a surprise, the Funkos. The Happy Meal gang Funkos.
Ah!
Do they get cuter
You were
than this?
so excited.
They don't get cuter than this. I cried when I opened them. I cried. They're
Look at them.
adorable.
Look how cute.
Look at them.
Look at them.
They're so cute. They're so cute. So, of course, whenever I see things that I love, I'm always like, let's cookie that. So that's what I wanted to do.
Yeah, you never made a cookie out of me.
Not yet. Well, I love you.
You obviously don't love me.
I love you so much. So these were the original Happy Meal gang. These were the fries, soft drink, and the hamburger. So the Happy Meal gang, the original one, the OG, which were these guys, debuted in 1979.
Wow!
As
puppets!
They were puppets.
Yeah, they were puppets.
They were adorable, and they were used in marketing, and they were used in McDonald land, which is a whole other thing, a whole other episode
that's
we
a
have
little
to
weird.
get to. Came out in 1979, and then they were later joined by the McNugget Buddies. Do you know the McNugget Buddies? Because I know the McNugget Buddies.
Did they do like flips into the sauce?
So cute. Yes, they were so cute. And then in 2001, they got a makeover, which is the cookies that we made. So you'll notice that, like, you know, this was the original fry, but now the 2001 fry has a bow on it.
Oh, she's so cute.
She was adorable.
Not everyone looks good in bows.
Had like, me, I look adorable in bows.
Adorable.
And then you can see my cookies back here, the little nuggies. We got the Happy Meal box, we got the toy, the fries, the shake, the burger. Like, look at how cute. This stuff is just so cute. So we have all of these cookies back here that we made, and now we would like to talk to you about some
Fuzz facts!
Do some fuzz facts of McDonald's.
Yes!
Fuzz facts.
I'm ready.
Fuzz fact number one. Happy Meals launched in 1979. The first toys that ever came out: McWrist wallet,
Okay.
an ID bracelet, a puzzle lock, a spinning top, and a McDonald's character eraser. Which is the one I would have wanted. I would have wanted that eraser.
You're too excited.
Because I love erasers. When I was like in grammar school, those little erasers didn't erase anything, but they were like really cute. You know what I'm talking about?
Choking hazard.
That is what I would have wanted. So those were the first Happy Meals.
Those are like Mick accessories.
Did we
McCessories.
You know what we did? Fuzz fact number
two.
Number two. McDonald's is the world's largest toy distributor.
What?
So
what?
Never like. Okay.
What?
Wait until you hear how many toys. 1.5 billion toys a year are distributed from McDonald's.
What the fuzz?
I mean,
holy.
What?
Moly!
Holy moly. And here we go with fuzz fact number
three!
Fuzz fact number 3. Okay. So in 1997, who remembers what happened in 1997? Someone out there, a craze of
Babies!
And in 1997, McDonald's launched their teeny
weeny beanies?
Teeny beanie babies.
They're
teeny beanie babies. So
they're teeny weenies.
they launched their teeny weenies.
Come see the teeny weenies at the arches.
In 1997, McDonald's launched their teeny beanie baby toys.
Teeny weenies.
I guess how many Happy Meals they sold in 1 week when that came out.
Chickens went extinct.
They sold about 100 million Happy Meals in 1 week when these teeny beanie babies came out.
Oh wait, how teeny? Pull one out.
How?
Whip out your teeny weenie.
How teeny, you ask? Oh, this teeny.
Ah!
Look, but wait.
That's like pocket size.
But wait, there's more. Shake the Bear.
God, how cute.
Okay, Fry, which is that 2001 fry that I was talking about that we made.
Wow.
The Boiga. Look at how cute the Boiga is. And we have the McNugget. Look at them. Look at them. These are like the Happy Meal gang teeny weenies. Teeny beanies. So those are some of my favorite toys. What toys do you remember? Like, what was your
we want to hear all about it.
McDonald's toy? Can you tell me? Tell me right now. I want to hear. Oh, wait. Was it Inspector Gadget? Remember Inspector Gadget?
Oh, the pieces!
I had the
they
whole
came in all different
Inspector
sets.
Gadget. I had the whole thing, and I threw it out because I'm a dum-dum, and now I have major regrets.
Yeah, you can get it on
Major
eBay for like
regrets.
$30.
Okay. Loungefly came out with... Hold on.
God!
Okay. $80. You can get the McDonald's Happy Meal mini backpack.
That's crazy.
I mean,
I don't know who would really want to wear that.
Look at the chicken nuggets.
One.
I think this
It's cool, look like, but weird to wear.
I think it's really cool, but I'm not going to wear it.
No,
So
that one is a keeper. Look at his creepy one tooth.
Maybe I'd wear it. Maybe.
That's crazy.
But, okay, look, they have the Ronald McDonald, which is
that one's just classic.
I was gonna say
that one looks classic.
That one's my least favorite. McDonald's French fries card holder. That's cute. Like I could use that one.
All right, you show them those. Show me the one I got you.
Box Lunch comes out with their line. Okay.
Oh,
look at this. This is like a cosmetic case.
That's great.
Literally has all the characters.
Open that one up.
Okay, so right, so clear. Okay, you're not ready.
Look
for
at
this.
that.
We've got a French fry bag. Like,
yes.
How perfect. Been my bigger
Hold it towards
bag.
the camera.
Like, come on.
Yes.
I cannot wait to use this. Okay, and then.
Oh, that's the best one.
You're not ready. You're not ready for this.
I'm ready.
You're not ready for this.
Oh, the chicken nuggets. Yeah, but show them the front.
It's the chicken nuggets. It's the McNugget buddies. Look, and it's the old school.
That's the old school phone.
6-piece McNugget.
That's right.
Look at how cute this is.
That was the phone box that hated the word.
It was the phone box. I love this so much.
That is awesome.
And now that we have finally filmed this episode, I am going to use the heck out of it.
Yes.
So let me know your favorite McDonald's memory, your favorite McDonald's character, your favorite McDonald's cookie that we made.
Yes.
And your favorite McDonald's toy. Like, do you feel
Yes,
as
those
passionate?
are great.
Do you feel as passionate about McDonald's as I do? Like, do you get all the feels? Do you get the nostalgia? Do you?
Yes.
So, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you enjoyed talking
This is great.
all things McDonald's. Go check out our Halloween bucket episode because we definitely talked about McDonald's there, obviously.
You'll flip your lid.
And also check out how we made all these cookies. We did a whole compilation of how we made them. And we did some sprinkle ASMR cookies.
Ooh, yeah.
And also do subscribe to our channel if you like this. Also,
I'm now on Instagram.
Follow on Instagram. Hank is on Instagram.
Yes.
So go ahead and follow him. Thank you very, very much for watching this. And now go to McDonald's.
Woohoo! Drive through, here we come.
Get yourself a burger.
Yeah.
Or a drink.
Yeah, shake.
Bye, cookie friends.
This is so boring. Wait till I tell your husband. Babe, can you believe that?
You've made it weird.
Now you've made it weird.
Now you've made it weird. I love McDonald's
Love
toys,
teeny weenies.
and I love teeny weenies.
Yeah, we can use that. Son of a Mitch.
Someone a Mitch.
Sorry to anyone named Mitch.
Oh, you're warm in there. Where is this episode going?
But
From Jin Chen.
take it from the top.